Fam, Manchester United have just announced that Rasmus Haaland is injured. Rasmus Haaland will be injured for 2 fucking weeks, fam. Just when the man hit farm. Just when the man... 2 fucking weeks, blood. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, blood. That means that Manchester United will be playing with Marcus Rashford up front, Garnacho on the right and the left. That simple means that they will bring that fucking fidget player back on the right hand side. That fidget spinner Brazilian clown back on the right hand side. And why is it that we can't see Ahmad and the fucking team at this point? Why is it that we cannot see Ahmad and the blood clot team at this point? Erik ten Hag, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Because this man is now injured. This man who has scored 6 goals in 5 games, last 6 games, whatever the fuck he is. His man finally starts scoring in the Premier League. He's now injured. So he can't play for 2 weeks. That means Rashford will play up front. And Ahmad should be playing on the right side of the midfield at the forward line. But no, you're going to bring this fidget spinner Bumblewall who made us almost lose the game against Wolves. You didn't forget about that? What the fuck are you doing? What?